Welcome back, guys. My name is Mace here at South Bay Hyundai, and today we're going to take a quick test drive in the all-new 2024 Elantra. Now, this model is the SEL convenience package. This one has a 2.0 four-cylinder engine, so we're going to have a little fun. Let's check it out. All right, so 2024 Elantra. Did not get a full redesign, but we got a slight redesign with some added features. I gotta say though, first impression, this is much smoother than the older Elantra was. I did have a 2022 Elantra, which is not too far off from the 23 model. And already I'm feeling, I don't know if it's the transmission difference or wheels, but this is definitely smoother. Definitely. All right. So I'm gonna get off of Hawthorne so we have some freedom. I'm gonna make a right over here, this little side street, and what I'll do is I'm gonna knock out different drive modes, turning radius. We'll do a little pickup, maybe some safety features if there's anything easy to demonstrate. And I'll see if there's any other differences that I notice. But right off the rip, definitely, this is a much smoother ride. So right now I'm in our normal mode. And just to show you the pickup, I'm gonna step on it right now. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Slow us down. Now I'm pretty sure I had a higher trim level than this one was, but it seems like they're not missing anything. This looks like a convenience package. I believe I had a premium package, which they no longer offer. Yeah, no, this feels much smoother. This is nice. I'm gonna put it in smart mode, which is a drive mode I typically would drive in. And one thing I really liked about the Elantra when I owned it, it being compact, but still having a good amount of space on the inside. I love being able to fit everywhere. Nice. This feels good. I'm gonna go all the way down past. Let's see. The steering wheel feels smooth. The seat feels comfortable, nice and plush. People always ask about this. This is always a hit or miss for people, but it's never gotten in the way of anything I needed to do, whether it was other things in the car, equipment, how I feel about the space. It still feels very open. It doesn't make it feel cramped. And if you ever feel like holding on, it's there to be held. And I see they still offer the dual clutch transmission, so you can always shift the gear shift over to the left in case you want to shift gears up or down. I might do that on the way back. All right, we got a green light coming now. Cool. It took that bump very well. It was a dip, but it seemed like we fit right into it. Smart mode definitely feels exactly how I remember. Smooth, still with some nice pickup. Nice. I'll try to pick up here. Yeah, so as a commuter car, this has everything I could possibly imagine needing. All right, we're good on gas. The size is good. Not too big and not too small. And then with Hyundai, you get so many safety features and the different things that they offer that you're not missing much. And especially if you go up to the higher trim level, you're still gonna get the sensors and the cameras. So this is definitely a win for anybody looking for a good or great economy car. Heading back to the final stretch. I'm gonna put it in the sport mode for the last part. Let's see. All right, so this is sport mode. Feels like what I remember. Definitely still an Elantra. But the pickup is cool. For what you need anyway. Nice. Okay, perfect. Head onto this side street really quick, just so we can get a nice feel of the turn radius. Perfect. Shift it back to regular mode. I'll turn up there. Pretty tight, pretty tight. I think it was still similar to my older Elantra's turning radius. Might not be as tight, but still very, very good. Perfect. Looks like a lot of the buttons are still in the same place. So mostly just added features and cosmetic differences on the outside as far as the redesign. It's still very much a very similar vehicle to the older model. Just with some quick upgrades. Now the only thing I'm seeing that's missing that I feel like was definitely something they should have added was they had the cup holder that you could pull out and switch to make it either deeper or less deep. I don't see that in this model. So hopefully that's something that's offered in another trim maybe, or something they bring back. That's about the only thing I think this car might be missing. Where's that coming from, that side? Of course, lane keep and lane follow assist still work the same. Forward collision avoidance assist. Blind spots, nice. And here we are. Backup camera going. Right in the lines. Yep. And that was the 2024 Elantra. All right, guys. So we just did a quick test drive on the all-new 2024 Elantra. As you can see, Hyundai has a lot to offer. If you have any questions about the vehicle, please let us know, leave a comment below, or come and pay us a visit. I'd love to assist. Just ask for Mace, and take care.